Good morning, dear students. In the previous video, we already discussed what is the meaning of bank, banker, and banking. In short, we already discussed what is the meaning of banking. Any institution which will perform the business of banking is called as a bank. Now we go through the meaning of banking. According to Section 5 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949, what it says, banking means accepting for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits of money from the general public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawable by check, drafts, order, or otherwise. This is the definition. According to the definition, we classify the elements of the definition into 4 points. What is the definition says? No doubt, banking business includes the receiving of deposits from the general public. Banker will accept the deposits from the general public in form of 4 types of deposits. In the previous semester, we already discussed that banker usually accept the deposits on current accounts as savings bank deposits, fixed deposits, and recurring deposits. That is the first element of the definition. Second one, all deposits are repayable on demand. So, whenever the demand is made by the general public by presenting the check, draft, or otherwise, then it is the duty of the banker to repay them on demand. So, then third one, for what purpose the deposits are collected by the banker? Banker will collect the deposits for the purpose of lending or investment. Banker will collect the money from the general public and grant them in form of loans and advances to the general public. Usually, it will give a smaller amount of interest on our deposits, and at the time of granting loans and advances, it will charge a higher rate of interest. In between, difference between the two types of interest will become a profit for the banker. Then a fourth one, honoring of checks for the purpose of public. No doubt, whenever the customers wants to withdraw the money from the bank, they will present the check before the banker. There are two types of check, open check and crossed check. When the cross check is presented before the banker, then banker will collect the check on behalf of the customer. When these functions are performed by the banker, then it is called as a business of banking. So these all about the meaning of bank and elements of the definition.